You know, our manufacturing software is like a high-end Ferrari packed with data, but I just can't figure out how to get the most out of it.
Are you part of these businesses that have invested thousands of dollars into their CAD-CAM system and does not have the feeling that you have all the benefits that it could have given you? Are you under the impression that it's only being used to send information to the CNC machine or use production reports that take a huge amount of time to generate? And you don't see the value of investing more into your CAD-CAM system because it may be that you're not aware of all the possibilities to connect with the different software available in the market. Do you know that WebCab offers solutions that connects directly with your CAD-CAM? Production Assistant will import directly all the data of a produced work order with no manual transcription. Our solution will take information as product, parts, hardware, and even optimization result to share them to the right stations into your factory. Our other solution, Inventory Assistant, can take all the purchase item out of your CAD-CAM system on a specific order and then plan the PO to your suppliers. WebCab Solutions puts in value all the investment made into the CAD-CAM system by extending and sharing the data throughout the whole factory in real time. Finally, because of our solutions, we can now say that the CAD-CAM will become the heart of your production. We connect with the different CAD-CAM systems that are available for the woodworking industry. You want to know more about our products? Click on the link below, fill out the form, and one of our experts will contact you.